this video, we will demonstrate how to migrate mail from on-premise Exchange to Office 365 using the BCC Mail Migration Engine. Here we can see Robin, our user's mailbox, with examples of images, attachments and links. Here are her sent items. If we switch to the calendar, we can see that Robin has a number of meetings, including some recurring appointments. She also has 3 personal contacts and a couple of tasks. Let's check the target mailbox in Office 365. Obviously, it's empty. There are no sent items, no calendar entries, no contacts, and no tasks. Before we start the migration, let's check the job settings. The Export tab is where the error logging is configured for troubleshooting. The Exchange server information is defined in the Source tab. The user's mailbox is here, the technical account information that has application impersonation rights, and the Office URL is defined here, which is our Exchange server EWS URL. The target Office 365 tenant information is defined in the Target tab. The user's target mailbox, the technical account information that has application impersonation rights, and the Office URL is defined here as well. Let's run the job. It's indicated that it's running by the green flag. Switching to the console shows that our migration job is running. The task sends a report back for each 10% increment that's been completed. Now the migration has been completed, we will switch to Robin's Office 365 mailbox. If we check the inbox, we can see that her images and links are there. The sent items are displayed with the contents too, as expected. Now let's check Robin's calendar. As you can see, her appointments have been migrated, including the recurring ones. Contacts have also been migrated with all the details, and her tasks have been copied over as well. So there you go, mail migration between on-premise Exchange and Office 365 without any drama. Fast, reliable, and secure. If you would like to know more, please check out our website or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.